Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to recover files from a memory stick using Wondershare Photo Recovery. The first step of course is to connect your memory stick with your computer and of course launch Wondershare Photo Recovery. After that, to get started, we're just going to click on the Start button, and this will go ahead and bring up all of the available paths, aka drives, that are connected to our computer. If your drive isn't showing up because you just connected it or something, just click on Refresh Drives and it will refresh everything on here. Then we're going to select our memory stick and click on Filter Options. And inside of this first tab, select File Type. We do exactly that. We can go through and select the exact file types that we'd like to recover from our memory stick. Since I'm looking for all file types, I'm going to go ahead and keep everything selected. But say you wanted to deselect a different file type like JPEG, just select it and click on Unselect. And then to reselect it, make sure you just have it selected and click the Select button. In the Select Region area, we have some advanced options for sectors. This will allow us to select the starting and ending sector for the drive, which is again a bit more advanced, but it basically allows us to search in different sections of our drive. Once we're happy with all of these settings, we're just going to click on the Scan button, and this will bring up a new window where it's going to start reading different sectors and scanning for recoverable files in, of course, the formats we selected. And the amount of time this will take will depend on how many file types you have selected, as well as how large your drive is. Once the scan is complete, it's going to load up all of the file types that you've selected that it has found. In this case, we have audio, photo, and video, and subfolders of different file types like JPEG, PNG, MOV, and MP4. The great thing about Wondershare Photo Recovery is for a lot of types of media, like images, we can actually go in and click on them and it will show us a preview of what's going on in the picture. And this will really allow us to find the file types that we want to recover and be more efficient with our file space. So I'm going to deselect the file types I don't want to save, and I'm going to make sure I have the file types I want to save selected. Note that in the bottom right, it's going to tell us how many files we currently have selected, in this case 351, as well as how large they are, in this case just under 62 megabytes. To go ahead and save and recover these, we're just going to click on the Recover button, and then we're going to select a location that is not on our actual drive that we're searching from. That way we don't have any recovering problems, and we'll go ahead and click on Recover, and it's now going to go through and recover and copy those files into the drive we selected. The amount of time this takes will depend on how many files you have selected and also how large they are, but it's usually a pretty quick process. And once it's gone ahead and recovered those files, it'll pop up the folder they've been saved to. We can actually go into these nicely organized folders and view all of our newly recovered files. And from here you can go ahead and back these up further, view them for your pleasure, or do whatever else you'd like to do. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. That is how you recover files from a memory stick using Wondershare Photo Recovery.